Hi, welcome to We Can Read with me, Teacher Donald. We Can Read is a program that will help you learn how to read, and there are 3 steps. Step number 1, you will listen to me read the story. Step number 2, you will listen to me and then read after me. And step number 3, you will read on your own. Today's story is called How Many Birds Are in the Tree? First, let's look at some words that will help us read the story. The first word is a number. Do you know what number this is? It's 1. Try reading it after me. 1. The next number is 2. Try reading it after me. 2. Next, we have 3. Try reading it after me. 3. The next number is 4. Read it after me. 4. After 4 is 5. Read it after me. 5. After 5 we have 6. Read it after me. 6. After 6 is 7. Read it after me. 7. Next is 8. Read it after me. 8. After 8 we have 9. Read it after me. 9. And the last number is 10. Read it after me. 10. Now we are ready for step 1. Listen to me read the story. How many birds are in the tree? How many birds are in the tree? There are no birds in the tree. Look, an orange bird. Now there is 1 bird in the tree. Look, 2 red birds. Now there are 3 birds in the tree. Look, 3 yellow birds. Now there are 6 birds in the tree. Look, 4 blue birds. Now there are 10 birds in the tree. Look, a brown cat. Now there are no birds in the tree. And that is our story. How many birds are in the tree? Now we are ready for step number 2. I will read first, and you will read after me. Are you ready? Let's go. Read the title after me. How many birds are in the tree? Okay, listening to me first. How many birds are in the tree? And now I want to hear you read. Ready? Go! Good job. Let's keep going. There are no birds in the tree. Now it's your turn. Ready? Go! Nice reading. Okay, wait for me. Look, an orange bird. Now I want to hear you. Ready? Go! Nice reading. Okay, it's my turn. Now there is one bird in the tree. And it's your turn. Ready? Go! Good job. Okay, it's my turn. Look! 2 red birds. And you try. Ready? Go! Great job. Okay, listening to me. Now there are 3 birds in the tree. And it's your turn. Ready? Go! Nice reading. Look! 3 yellow birds. Now you try. Ready? Go! Great stuff. Now there are 6 birds in the tree. And it's your turn. Ready? Go! Good job. Look! 4 blue birds. Now I want to hear you. Ready, go! Listening to me. Now there are 10 birds in the tree. And you try. Ready, go! Great work. Look! A brown cat. Okay, you try. Ready, go! Awesome. Okay, listening to me. Now there are no birds in the tree. And I want to hear you now. Ready? Go! Great reading. And we just read the story, How Many Birds Are in the Tree? Now I think you are ready for step number 3. You read by yourself. Are you ready? Let's get started. Try reading the title first. Good job. Okay, reading carefully. Ready, go! Nice work. Ready, go! Let's try the next page. Ready, go! You're doing a good job. Ready, go! Nice reading. Ready, go! Okay, let's keep going. Ready, go! Great stuff. Ready, go! Ready, go! You're reading very well. Ready, go! Now try this page. Ready, go! Fantastic reading. Ready, go! Okay, it's the last page. Ready, go! Great job. And you just read the story, How Many Birds Are in the Tree? Now let's talk for a minute. If you have time, maybe you can draw a picture of a tree with some birds in it. Then I want you to tell me how many birds are in your tree. And try using the sentence, there are blah 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 birds in my tree. So you can get a pencil and paper and start drawing. Okay, I hope you have fun drawing and telling me about your tree. Maybe you can tell your mommy and daddy about your tree. Okay, that's all the time we have for We Can Read. With me, Teacher Donald, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.